Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use live stickers on your iPhone, slightly different from your static or the basic photo sticker. So let's get started. So in order to do this, the way it's going to work is you're going to use the message app, and let's say you're messaging someone. And when you do that, you're going to click on that plus icon, and then let's go ahead and click on stickers. And when you click on stickers here, you need to click on basically the plus icon here. When you click on the plus icon to create a new sticker, you need to change over to collections, and you need to make sure that the live sticker has to come from a live photo. So if you took a live photo, you can make it into a live sticker. So example, I have this photo here. It's a live, so I'm able to create a live sticker. It's going to go ahead and generate it. See, as you can see, the background has been removed, and it'll take whatever pictures in the frame, and then I'm going to click on that plus icon to add it. Now you'll notice this one is animated. It's a live sticker versus this one, which is just simply there. So if I tap on it, I can go ahead and now use it to send it to someone, and it is a live sticker to them. So that's how you do it. Again, the key thing is to remember, if you're going to be making a live sticker, you need to take a live photo. So in order to do that, for example, on your camera, you're going to click on the three dots here, make sure it's selected to live, and then you would take a picture of that live and then use it as a live sticker. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.